Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is homemade healthy granola bars loaded with protein. I used here a lot of kind of nuts, seeds. You can use any nuts or seeds you have besides oats, and any kind of butter like peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, any nuts butter you have. It's very loaded in protein, healthy, delicious, and nutritious. And the most important is a homemade. You know exactly what's on it. No artificial flavors, no preservatives, no colors, nothing. You put on these granola bars whatever you like and you prefer. Stay with me to see all the steps. It's easy to make, and as you see here, looks very delicious. And this is the ingredients that I will use. Very simple. I will use 2 cups of raw oats. If you have allergy to gluten or celiac, you can use the gluten-free oats. And I'm having 3/4, almost a cup, 3/4 cup of nuts, mixed nuts, peanuts, almonds, some walnuts, and raw cashews right here. And I have a quart cup of seeds. I'm using pumpkin seeds, quart cup of coconut flakes, half cup of honey, and a third cup of peanut butter, or you can use almond butter. We'll use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, quart teaspoon of kosher salt, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. This is a quart cup of you can use raisins or cranberries. I'm using here cranberries and some ginger. This is toward the end. We will roast this first, then in the end we will add the cranberries or the raisins. We preheat the oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll roast all this, the seeds and the oats and the nuts for about 10 minutes. And in half time, by about 5 minutes, we stir everything to don't burn. Then we'll turn it to the oven. It's only 10 minutes, it's enough. After the nuts, the oats and seeds roast, we transfer them to a mixing bowl here. Don't leave them on that roasting pan. Now we add the cranberries. If you want to add raisins or cranberries, I have a little bit of ginger there. I like ginger. I added the salt and the cinnamon, and mix everything. If you want to add the chocolate chip, don't add them now, because they will melt. Everything still in no hot. Then I melted the peanut butter with the honey, and I add the vanilla extract, mix everything, then pour it over the mixture of the oats and the nuts. Pour everything. If you don't like peanut butter, you can use any other nuts butter. Mix everything until that all the seeds and the oats are coated with the peanut butter and honey. Be sure to mix everything good. My oven is preheated on 300 degrees now, and I pour the mixture on a baking pan. I put the parchment paper first, then pour the mixture. And make sure to make all the mixture even. You can press on it with a cup or anything you have, or spatula. Then you take it to the oven, preheated oven, 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And that's the result. Leave it cool before that you start cutting it. Here, about 2 hours later, I start cutting my granola bars. It's not too hard to cut. So you need only a sharp knife and it will be easy to cut. As I said before, this granola bars very tasty, delicious and nutritious, loaded with protein. You can pack them with you to work or school, and is a very healthy snack. Let me know in the comments how did you like this granola bars. Hope you try it and like it. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy!